Think and Grow Rich is a remarkable self-help book written by Napoleon Hill, an influential American author, in the 1930s. The book offers valuable insights and practical advice on how to attain wealth and success through the power of one's thoughts and mindset. Hill's captivating work begins by emphasizing the importance of a burning desire, an intense passion for achieving your goals. He highlights the significance of a clear vision and a strong belief in one's abilities, as these are essential in setting the stage for prosperity. The book delves into the concept of thoughts becoming things and underscores the significance of positive thinking. Hill emphasizes that our thoughts shape our reality, and by cultivating a positive mindset, we can attract wealth and abundance into our lives. Furthermore, Hill outlines the importance of setting specific goals and creating a detailed plan of action. He emphasizes the necessity of perseverance, persistence, and resilience when faced with challenges and setbacks. Through inspiring stories of successful individuals, Hill demonstrates that setbacks are merely stepping stones on the path to success. Hill also highlights the significance of surrounding oneself with a mastermind group, a supportive network of like-minded individuals who share similar ambitions. He emphasizes the power of collaboration and the benefits of learning from others' experiences. In Think and Grow Rich, Hill introduces the concept of the subconscious mind and its role in manifesting success. He provides techniques for reprogramming the subconscious mind through affirmations and visualization exercises. By harnessing the power of the mind, one can overcome limiting beliefs and unlock their full potential. Throughout the book, Hill stresses the importance of taking decisive action. He encourages readers to step out of their comfort zones and seize opportunities fearlessly. By cultivating a proactive mindset and taking consistent action, individuals can achieve their goals and accumulate wealth. In summary, Think and Grow Rich is a timeless masterpiece that teaches us the profound impact of our thoughts, beliefs, and actions on our journey toward success. With its practical strategies and inspirational anecdotes, this book empowers individuals to transform their lives and attain financial abundance. Thank you for taking the time to explore the essence of Think and Grow Rich. This book has the potential to ignite a transformation in your mindset and guide you towards achieving your goals and accumulating wealth. Additionally, if you'd like to get your hands on a copy of Think and Grow Rich, you can find the purchase link in the description below. Investing in this book can be a powerful step towards unlocking your full potential and creating the life of abundance you desire.